Hey YouTube, this is Lil Boy Young bringing you another video, but today I'd like to bring you a video about something I just recently did to my gun. As you know from my previous videos, I have a G&G Raider 15 XL, blowback edition. But just today I went to Airsoft Special Ops in Salisbury, Mass, and got a whole new motor in it, so the RPM increased double. When it first had it, it was 9.5 BBs per second. Now it's 19.6 BBs per second. And I just wanted to test this out and show you guys. So here's it on semi. Here's it on automatic. Let me just wind the mag a little bit. 1 second. Well, anyway, that's the Airsoft video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And here's the deal. If you guys subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you back. So, there's my video.